Say Neo. Say Neo.
Hello?
Hello?
I'm a lot of
Ho,
vagina.
ho, ho. Do
I'm
you
on a
know
lot
who
of
this
vagina.
is?
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho.
This is Neo.
It's Santa Claus.
Is it Matrix?
No,
Did you take the blue
it's
top
Santa Claus.
Are you beaming me up, Sky?
What would you like
Yeah,
for
with
Christmas
it.
this year?
Goodbye.
Have you been a good little girl?
Hello?
Wait here, I'm ironing this.
Hello?
Hello?
Who are you?
It's Santa Claus.
This is a phone box.
Ho, ho, ho.
Bye
What do
bye.
you want for Christmas this year?
Oh.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Ho,
Hello,
ho,
this is a
ho.
phone box.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
Whoever rung me off this phone was talking to you through a phone box.
This
I'm gonna
year,
hang up
you're-
now because I don't like you.
You're getting a lump of coal. Hello? Ho, ho, ho. Do you know who this is? It's Santa Claus. What would you like for Christmas this year? Have you been a good little girl?
Yes.
Hello? Do you know who this is?
Hello?
Hello?
Yes. Who's it?
What would you like for Christmas this year?
Hi.
It's Santa Claus. Ho,
Ah.
ho, ho.
Ah.
Have you been naughty or nice?
Hello?
Do you know who this is?
No.
It's Santa Claus.
Fantastic.
What would you like for Christmas this year? What do you want for Christmas this year?
I want the Euro Millions.
Have you been a good little girl?
Of course I was very good.
Have you been naughty or nice?
Not at all.
You haven't ridden lately. That's why I'm calling. They are predicting snow for Christmas. Have you been out shopping yet?
Now I'm a very good boy.
Santa's watching you. My, how you've grown.
Well, I'm growing with the life.
Better not pout. You better not cry.
Of course I care about life.
Ho, ho, ho. This year, you're getting a lump of coal.
Santa.
Yes,
I love Santa.
this year, you're getting a lump of coal.
Thank you, Santa.
Ho, ho, ho. Better get something special for the one you love.
Thank you, Santa.
Be sure to turn the fire off. No, you can't have a BB gun. You'll shoot your eye out.
Oh, Santa, don't do that, Santa.
No.
I love Santa. I love you.
Yes. They are
I love you,
predicting
Santa.
snow for Christmas. Ho, ho, ho.
I love you, Santa.
Yes. Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, 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 I love you, Santa. Oh. Ho, ho.
Hey, cum guzzler, I want you to really worship my cock. I've got it in my hand right now, and it's getting hard. Can you handle that? I want you to really worship my cock. I'm gonna cum in your mouth so much you'll be shitting cum. Can you handle that?
Hello?
Hello?
Ho, ho, ho! Do you know who this is?
Hello?
It's Santa Claus.
Hello?
What would you like for Christmas this year?
Hello?
What do you want for Christmas this year?
Hello?
Have you been a good little boy?
Hello?
Have you been naughty or nice?
Hello?
Santa's watching you. Hello? Hello? Ho, ho, ho! Do you know who this is? What would you like for Christmas this year?
Hello?
Excuse me? Hello? Ho, ho, ho! Do you know who this is?
Hello?
It's Santa Claus. Have you been a good little boy?
How you doing what?
What would you like for Christmas this year?
Yeah.
Excuse me? What do you want?
I press a button on your phone.
What do you want for Christmas this year?
We went in the plane.
Have you been naughty or nice?
My dad is on holiday.
Santa's watching you. Ho, ho, ho! My, how you've grown.
Oh, it's Huh?
Better not pout. You better not cry.
Mention can come out.
You haven't written lately. That's why I'm calling.
I have water.
Have you been a good little girl?
I have cold. I get hurt. I want and then Mom was big one. Get hurt.
Excuse me?
Huh?
Ho, ho, ho! Better get something special for the one you love. Be sure to turn the fire off.
Oh, there's a guy.
Hello, Heathrow Airport. How can I assist you?
Hello? Ho,
Hello?
ho, ho! Do you know who this is?
Hello, this is Heathrow Airport, Terminal 1. How may I help you?
It's Santa Claus.
So you swear at me
What
on your
would you
bike.
like for Christmas this year?